while the laundry is doing its thing, I'm going to show you guys a quick mini haul from YesStyle. Got a lot of things, some basics you need from YesStyle, and I'm honestly pretty surprised because this is the first time I got some things from their website and I like it a lot. A lot of them are just like basic pieces that you can mix and match with other clothing items, which I like. So let's get started. Let me show you. The first one is this dress. This dress looks so good, perfectly form-fitting. But the only thing that I'm like, all about is it's a little see-through for my liking, but you do have to order a size up because if I got a small, it would have been way too tight. So I got a size medium. I'm like a size 0-2 in dresses, so size medium for me fit perfectly. But because it is a little see-through, I got this thing from Amazon, and it's like this seamless tube top dress thing. I haven't tried it on yet with this dress, but hopefully it would work. My main concern, it's not really the top part that's like really see-through. I mean, a little bit. It's more of the bottom. Like I can't hide my underwear even though it's seamless underwear. So hopefully this thing will give it an extra layer. I got a couple turtlenecks. I got a black one and a white one. The white one I actually like a lot. I think the black one is a mock turtleneck. The white one is a regular turtleneck, so you can fold it. Anyway, it's a ribbed turtleneck, and this one is really thick. The material is great. I don't think this was too much. I'll have the prices listed up here or in the description box down below, but this one is really good quality. I like it a lot. It's super thick, something you'd find at like H&M or whatever. This one, black one, is a mock turtleneck, so it's not as high up on top, and it's not ribbed, so this one it's a little bit more casual, I would say. You could still dress it up or dress it down, but if you don't want something as thick as the white one, I would go with the black one. So I also got this knitted cardigan. Has a little detail here with the buttons. It looks a little bit different than I saw it on the website, but I still like it a lot. The quality is pretty good for what you pay for, and it's just an easy cardigan knit that you can throw over anything. Put a turtleneck under it, a tank top, layer it. I also got these sweat shorts. I've been looking everywhere for some sweat shorts that wouldn't break my bank, but that also look kind of good. These ones are pretty fine. They got pockets. They have a little detailing here that says grit on it, but they come in black and gray, and I got the gray pair. I like pairing that up with a white t-shirt, a white tank top, throw over a hoodie or a jacket, some nice shoes. I don't know. I think it looked real cool. I got a puffer jacket. So I'm going to North Carolina for the week, and that's why I got a lot of these like winter things. I mean, it is winter, but it doesn't get that cold in California. I got these things to bring with me there. I figured I can wear the puffer in Michigan too when I go back. I really do like puffers. That one is pretty good material. It's not super thick, so I don't know if it'll keep you that warm, but if you layer it with a hoodie or a turtleneck, I think you'd be fine. Now, accessories. I got these big sunglasses. Why? I don't know why. They look kind of cool, like in the online on the model, and I was like, oh, that's all cool. So I was like, let me get a pair. I like really big sunglasses, so maybe it's fine. I don't know, just right now they look kind of weird, but that's okay. They're still really cool. Last but not least, I got this bag. So now this bag is really cool, right? The material is actually really nice, and I like this detailing here. Like, what is it, like? It's not snakeskin, it's a crocodile skin, maybe. But it's really big on the inside. It's magnetic, right? So you can, if you really wanted to, and you just want to hold it, you could just hold it. And then it's a clutch. Wow, nice, fancy. You wanted that long strap, right? You just hook it back on and it's a long strap. But wait, if you don't want a long strap and you just want a shoulder bag, well, let me tell you, honey, this purse does it all. And boom, it's a shoulder bag. How convenient. Fancy. I like it. I like this bag a lot. I like this one a lot. Very versatile. That's what I got from YesStyle. All the links will be down below. I also have an Instagram reel that I made of me trying these clothing items on and also piecing them with other clothes I got and styling them and whatnot. So you can head over to my Instagram, check that out. And now let's go ahead and check on the laundry.
The aftermath of filming.
Okay, so it's currently nighttime now. I basically finished my laundry and now I have to go ahead and start packing for this trip. So I'm gonna be gone for a whole week, Thanksgiving week. And we're gonna be in North Carolina with some of Nick's family down there. This will be my second time going to North Carolina. It's supposed to be a little bit cold. So compared to California weather, today was like 65, high 60s here. Pretty nice for November. Over there, it's supposed to be low 60s, high 50s, I think. I just don't know what to pack. I want to bring everything. I am an overpacker too, but we're gonna try to figure it out. As much as I want to bring cute clothes so that I can take nice pictures and everything, I'm just gonna have to bring it down. Okay, so it's the next morning. I got everything here planned out and I finally figured out what I want to bring. Still bringing my puffer jacket. We got the tripod. I got my docks that I'm gonna decided to bring these pants instead. This I can wear with multiple outfits and it's super comfy. So I gotta leave super early tomorrow. Our flight's at 5:30 and they board at 5, so we gotta be there at like 4:30. Basically, I'm gonna get no sleep and I'm gonna watch K-dramas on the airplane. Just need a lot of coffee, it's fine. It's fine. So I finished packing, everything's done. Yeah, now we just wait and relax for a little bit till we gotta wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Yay! Alright, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!